Alright, I'm hoping this thing is going to record for me. This is what I call the unfinished but functional video. It's all held on there by magnets. It's holding really good, and you can see there that it's counting both forward and backwards. So I think we got a winner here, folks. I'm still undecided how I'm going to cover that scale and reader there. I've got some ideas. I'll probably go ahead and implement my ideas, but that's another horse I gotta ride. So thanks for watching.